Welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about gold market, crude oil, Bitcoin versus US dollar, NASDAQ 100, and dollar index. I will start with a Euro versus US dollar first. What we have here is a multi-time frame view. Here on the left is a 5-minute time frame, on the right 1 hour. Lower left daily and lower right weekly time frame. What we can see here is that on the weekly time frame we had rejection a couple of weeks ago, support at 1.0718, and at the daily time frame we have a kind of pin bar, the big tail, the tail around 1.0888. So there is a chance for the retest of that pin bar high and potential for the bigger upside moment in the euro. What I like here is the hourly time frame this morning. You can see here that we had a very contracting looking chart. So market is building higher lows, getting very tight, and we had this breakout this morning. So there is a chance for the full retest and trade into this pin bar territory around 1.0887 can be the upside intraday objective. But also for the short-term perspective, if the market can hold above and close above the pin bar high at 1.0890, there is a chance for even for the market and for the euro to go towards 1.1 level in next period, short-term speaking. So very good constructive intraday charts in combination with this weekly rejection from a few weeks ago, and so keep an eye on the euro dollar to the upside. Now, gold market had something similar on the hourly like on the euro. Here we had an hourly time frame completion of ABC downside correction, and now market is building higher. The daily time frame, we had an inside day yesterday on the daily time frame, so there is a chance for the market to have a bigger imbalance in next period. Weekly time frame also rejection from the key support a few weeks ago from 1985 and 1980 mark. And the next reference point short term on the daily time frame is around 2056, 2060 mark. So still plenty of the chance for the gold to trade higher this week. So pay attention also on the gold market. Now watching the crude oil, we can see that there was a strong rejection of the rising 20 exponential moving average. Market is still building higher lows, so that is a very good sign for the further upside development on the crude oil. We had more like a bull flag, but weekly is also building higher lows in next period. So key resistance short term is around 79 and 79.10 mark. That will basically confirm short term that we can even go towards the 90 mark and 91 mark again, speaking more for the swing term perspective. So far this morning we had this pullback, market tried to rally, now we see some supplies in the market. Overall, pay attention on 79 mark, potential breakout for the bigger upside move on the crude oil. Now NASDAQ 100, we have 2 days in a row, we have pretty tight consolidations and one pin bar, one tail. So can this be a double top? There is a potential for that. Weekly time frame, we had an outside week, but the close was not near the high. So there is a chance that we have a more consolidation on hourly time frame with a key support and swing low around 17,874. There is a chance if we can see the breakout of that level and some follow through to the downside for the market to go towards the 17,700 mark, or all the way down towards the towards the rising 20 exponential at 17,700 mark. So 17,700 mark might be in the play if we can see the breakdown of this level and hold below. Now, speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, there was a strong upside breakout on a daily time frame yesterday. This is something that there was a chance for that. As alerted, we were trading in a consolidation and there was a strong breakout yesterday and follow through this morning. market, the Bitcoin is trading around the 56,400 mark. And the next pivot level is from the weekly perspective around 59,000, I will say 59,000 mark. Hourly time frame is holding and building higher lows. So it seems like buyers are absolutely in control at this point. And if market can retake the pin bar high at 57,000, there is a chance for the market even to go towards the 59,000, 60,000 mark. So buyers are in control, and now it's just the question: can the market retake at this point this pin bar high and hold above, or we can go and enter some consolidation or pullback environment. And the dollar index, there is a chance for the market to retake the pin bar low at 103.40 mark, and potentially confirm even further drop and bigger drop on the dollar index towards the 102.90 mark, or even all the way down to 102 mark. So pay attention that hourly had the lower highs and lower lows, and the breakout of this consolidation to the downside. And we all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.